How you doing? My name's Arthur Pasquale. This is my booth here at MTP. Been doing it for about a few months now, and I love it. Love the people. I like to show you some of these crates. You see a lot of these different crates. These are more common, the Coca-Cola ones. I also have some that are actually very rare. Like this one here, if you want to take a shot inside, you can see the date on it. It actually says 1957. And most of these crates do have the date on it. 58, 53. And each time you see those dates, it kind of gives you an idea of how rare they are and how much they cost. Kind of goes by how rare they are. And we also sell luggage. Come on in here, check it out. Most of the luggage that I carry are 1940, 1950, 1960. And I only pretty much buy the ones that are really clean inside as well as clean on the outside. They fully work still. Various colors. And we also have a website. If you want to go, it's tryvintage.shop. We'll show you a lot more of our stuff. We have such a wide variation of items, so go by the website and check it out and tell me what you think.